VO 6.3 introduces Enhanced Coordinate Reference System, or CRS capabilities, including full support for geographic coordinate systems. These improvements make it easier to work with GIS data from different sources, align layers correctly, and build models that range from local studies to large global-scale projects. To support this flexibility, VO includes the Layer Projection tool. This tool allows you to reproject any imported GIS layer, such as shapefiles or DMs, into a coordinate system that matches your project. You should use the Layer Projection tool whenever an imported GIS layer does not match the project's coordinate system, or when adding new layers that use a different CRS. With just a few clicks, the tool reprojects the layer, adds it back into your project with a clear name, and ensures spatial alignment across all data. These CRS enhancements provide several major advantages: streamlined workflows, import GIS layers without worrying about mismatched projections, global flexibility, easily work with datasets from anywhere in the world, time savings, reproject and organize layers automatically without external tools.